Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about my face empties. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and start this video. So I have 5 items in my little collection right here of empties. I do have a huge, massive box of empties, but I mean, if I talked about it in one video, I mean, this video will just go on forever, and before you know it, it's gonna be like 2021, 2022. I mean, it's just gonna go on forever and ever. So I have I made the video smaller, shorter by condensing my video empties. Anyway, so let's talk about the empties. And I have different items right here. So let's talk about them. And I have my notes in front of me so I know I'm hitting every point I want to talk about with you guys. Okay, so the first item is this right here. This is the EBATES Superfood Day Cream. And you guys, I mean, I've heard plenty of good stuff about EBATES. They do have great, wonderful products. But unfortunately for me, and again, it's just my personal experience, my personal opinion, just how I've experienced these products. So whatever I talk about with these products, I mean, they might work wonderful and great for you guys, or they might not work at all for you guys. So everyone's, skin type is different, and just keep that in mind. So the first one, like I said, is the EBATES Superfood Day Cream. And number one, I mean, the smell of this, I don't know, it just doesn't smell right. I felt like it just smelled kind of like, I don't know, something about it just didn't really sit right with me, especially the way it smelled. So that part, I couldn't get over it. So the smell was kind of, I wasn't a fan of it. So this item is supposed to like hydrate and replenish your skin, which I'm all about. I mean, if you know me and I have dry skin, I have like dry, dehydrated skin. And if it's talking about like hydrating, replenishing the skin, I mean, sign me up. But when I use this, at least for my skin, honestly, it didn't really do that for me. I felt like it just didn't do really anything for me. What it did do to me was I had like this weird like, I don't know if it was like a reaction or irritation or whatever it was, but I mean, it was some type of reaction, obviously. But when I used it, like, I had this weird like reaction to it, and I'm pretty sure it was because of this, because when I was using it at the time, this was, I think, the only new product that I introduced to my face. And that's normally what I try to do, is when I'm trying out new stuff, I try to introduce just one thing at a time. That's just what I do. But yeah, besides that, I mean, really the smell part is what got to me, and I wasn't a fan of it. But the packaging is super cute, and I mean, they have other great products that they have. Just this one in particular, again, the Superfood Day Cream, I'm not a fan of it, but of course, try one for yourself. I mean, I guess you can get samples. I'm not really sure. Anyways, not a fan. The second item I wanted to show you guys in my Empties collection is the all-in-one Beauty Aid Cream. And you guys, first of all, I mean, the packaging, I'm not really a big fan of the packaging. It's nice, it's cute, I guess, but I've seen cuter, I've seen nicer, so I don't hate it, but, I'm not in love with it. It is nice, I guess, because it's like a nice, like, squeeze tube. But, yeah, I mean, packaging is whatever. It is a Korean brand, and the thing about this is it did really help my skin feel nice and plumped and hydrated. Will I buy it again? I guess, yeah, maybe, just because it's just one of those, like, skincare products that's easy to carry around. I can just toss it in my purse and then use it as I need it. Whereas carrying around like a little jar, it might be a little bit more of a hassle. This one is like a little, kind of like a hand cream style, where you can just squirt some out on your hand and then put it on your face or wherever you need to put it. But overall, it did do a nice job hydrating and plumping my face. The next item I have in my hand is the Estee Lauder Day Wear Eye Cream. And you guys, if you follow me, I've been using all of this. And you guys, these are really all empty. I mean, no joke when I say empties. And I wish I had a bigger set of this. This one was given to me by a friend, and I tried it out. First of all, Estee Lauder has amazing, amazing makeup and skincare line. So, I mean, if anything, you haven't tried out any Estee Lauder product, I do recommend it. Alright, so this eye cream, It's amazing. It really does have like that nice cooling, depuffing effect to your under eyes. And when I use this personally, I do keep it in the refrigerator to keep it nice and cool, which gives that added cooling effect. So I'll take this on a clean face and then, put some right under my eyes. And I really do feel like it works really well with my depuffing and cooling, of the under eye, if you will. And I really do like this. I think it's a great, great product. So yeah, Empties, love it. And will I get it again? Yes, I will get it again. The next item I have in my hand is another Estee Lauder product. And this was also, it was like a little kit my friend gave me. And this was one of it. And this is the Estee Lauder Nightwear Plus. That is what it looks like. All right. And this, you guys, completely empty once again. Freaking love this product. So this product, it had like a nice cucumber like smell to it. At least to me it did. It smelled really good. The scent was really amazing. It smelled really fresh. It smelled like cucumbers, whatever, right? It smelled like cucumbers, and I personally love that. So the smell was amazing. And when you put it on your face at night, because it is a night cream, you guys, it felt really creamy, but at the same time it felt like it was cooling at the same time. It just felt really nice. It was like this, how do I explain it? It wasn't like a thick cream texture, but not a like watery texture. It was just a really nice texture on your skin. It felt nice, and I really felt like this item was really working with my skin. And just because after I put it on at night and I wake up, I didn't have any like dry patches. If I don't take care of my skin the right way, you guys, I have all these dry patches everywhere. Even if I'm drinking water, even if I'm like eating right, even if I'm, I don't know, just if I'm not putting on the right products or doing right to my skin, it's not going to be right to me. You get what I'm saying? So this, when I put it on at night, I wake up, I don't get dry patches, which is a big thing for me. So, which is why I love this product, and this is a good empty. Okay, last item I have here is, of course, another skin face empty. And I've talked about this in one of my videos when I first got it. Now it's empty, so here we are talking about it again. It is the SK2 RNA Radical New Age Power. It's a moisturizer and little tiny, I believe it's like a small sample size or whatever, but still, just showing you guys it's completely empty. Now, this product, I am very satisfied with this product. I mean, yes, it did moisturize it, it hydrated it. I did feel like it was, honestly, using it, I felt very luxurious. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, SK2 is not a cheap brand. It is pretty expensive. But I feel like when it comes to skincare, you don't have to spend a lot of money on it. For me, it's more so, not that you have to spend so much money or a lot of money. It's more about whether it's cheap or expensive or whatever the price might be. I feel like just pick a skincare that works for you. That's all that matters, right? So if it's something that just so happens to be super cheap and affordable and you can, run with that and your skin loves it, go for that. Or if your skin's more like, it needs like that, a little bit more of a high-end brand, I mean, go for that too. Just go for what your skin really needs and wants. So yeah, this brand right here, I do feel like it did moisturize and hydrate my face, but more so than that, I really felt like it really brightened my face up, giving it that more young glow to it. Maybe it was just me, but I do feel like that when I used this, my skin tone just looked a lot more brighter and just happier. Does that make sense? So yeah, I do like this product. Will I pick it up again? Probably, but if I had to pick out of all these 5 items, the one product I'll buy again for sure, I mean, definitely for sure, I think I would have to go with the eye cream. Definitely the eye cream. I felt like it really did my eye, it just worked well. I guess, honestly, these products, you got to try for yourself. Any product, you got to try for yourself. But I'm just giving you guys my thoughts, my opinions, and how I felt about the product and how it worked for my skin and my skin type. And out of all these products, out of all these empties, I do really like this one the best. And yeah. Alright, you guys, that is it for my empties video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, I hope you guys are subscribed to my channel. If you aren't, go ahead and click that subscribe button and join the Kwak fam. By the way, you guys, I am doing a giveaway video. I just want to do a giveaway to all those who have truly supported my videos, who've supported me on this YouTube channel. And of course, I mean, even supported me on my Instagram and all that stuff. That just means so much to me, and I'm just giving back to you guys. That's all it is, you guys. I mean, I'm not like a huge like YouTuber or whatever, but you know, I still want to give back to you guys, and I hope you guys like the items that I chose out for you guys. That is it. If you want to check out the videos, if you want to check out the giveaway video of what I'm giving away, the link to that will be down below in the description box. And don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, alright. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.